Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open thread application. So how you can enable dark mode, you simply need to click on profile and click on toolbars, and here you can see in privacy there is no option. In account there is no option, and I checked all other option. There is no option available how to enable dark mode. So I'm going to show you a new method. So you simply need to open your smartphone settings and you simply need to enable dark mode of your smartphone. So here you can see, and after that you can enjoy dark mode in threads like this. So here you can see, so this is the process by which you can enable dark mode on threads. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.